Okay, here's something you don't want to miss. Massive updates from the world of nothing. While we still don't have a formal launch date, all the hints and hype are pointing toward the Nothing Phone 3 making its debut in July 2025. And this time, the stakes are way higher. According to CEO Carl Pei, this will be the company's first real flagship, and from what we're hearing, it's going to deliver a bold new look, powerful internals, and next-gen AI-powered software that takes the experience to a whole new level. Now, before the curtains go up, Nothing's heating things up with an awesome community challenge. They're giving fans a chance to win the Phone 3 for free, and it's not just a lucky draw. It's a full-blown creative competition called Create Your Phone 3. The concept is simple. Design your own version of what you think the Phone 3 should be. You can submit hand-drawn sketches, digital illustrations, 3D renders, or even AI-generated designs. Nothing's looking for creativity, originality, and something that captures their signature bold yet minimal design language. To join the contest, head over to the official Nothing community and drop your entry in the thread titled Create Your Phone 3 Giveaway Post. And don't forget, like the official post to make your entry count. The deadline? Monday, June 30th, 6 p.m. British Summer Time or 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Just one thing to keep in mind. The winner will be chosen at random, so anyone can win, whether you're a design pro or just tossing in a fun idea. Just check the terms and conditions before you submit. Now let's talk leaks, because the rumor mill is in overdrive. The Phone 3 is expected to pack either the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 or even the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which would be a major jump from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 inside the Phone 2. And that's just the start. We're also hearing about a 6.7-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED panel with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, a triple rear camera setup with a periscope telephoto lens, and either a 32-megapixel or 50-megapixel front cam. Rounding it all out could be a 5,000 mAh battery with 50 watts wired and 20 watts wireless charging. So, what's your take on the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.